Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Holiday Inn Express and Suites, Brighton South, US 23, an IHG hotel. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Located in Brighton and with Ann Arbor Hands-On Museum reachable within 16 miles, Holiday Inn Express and Suites, Brighton South, US 23, an IHG hotel provides express check-in and check-out, non-smoking rooms, a fitness center, free Wi-Fi throughout the property and a shared lounge. This 2-star hotel offers a 24-hour front desk and a concierge service. Guests can have a drink at the snack bar. Guests at the hotel can enjoy a buffet or an American breakfast. Holiday Inn Express and Suites, Brighton South, US 23, an IHG hotel has a sun terrace. A business center and vending machines with drinks and snacks are available on site at the accommodation. Hill Auditorium is 17 miles from Holiday Inn Express and Suites, Brighton South, US 23, an IHG hotel, while University of Michigan is 17 miles away. The nearest airport is Ann Arbor Airport, 21 miles from the hotel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.